Question number 9. John paid a total of $165 for a microscope by making a down payment of $37 plus P monthly payments of $16 each. Which of the following equations represents this situation? So first of all, he is making a $16 payment each month. These are monthly payments, and that he has done for P months. And the total amount of these payments we can represent by multiplying 16 with P. 16P will represent the total amount of these monthly payments. And apart from the 16P, he has also made a down payment of $37. That also has to be added to that amount to find the total amount John paid, yielding the expression 16P plus 37. And what is the total he has paid? He has paid $165. So 16P plus 37 is equal to 165. The expression for the total amount John paid can be set equal to that amount, and this is matching to answer choice C.